Did you know that your natural scent can reveal if you're stressed, what you ate for lunch, and even who you're genetically compatible with? Your smell is like a chemical fingerprint, and science shows it's telling stories about you that you might not even realize. It's not about being clean or dirty. It's about the invisible messages you're sending out into the world every single second. Everyone has a unique smell signature, kind of like a personal scent profile. This isn't just about the perfume or cologne you wear. I'm talking about your baseline natural odor. And it's a fascinating mix of your genetics, your lifestyle, your diet, and even your current health status. It's a complex chemical cocktail that's constantly changing and broadcasting information. Today, we're going to dive deep into the surprising science of human scent and explore what your body odor is really telling the world about you. Get ready, because you might never think about your own smell the same way again. Let's start with your genetic smell print. Deep within your DNA, you have a set of genes called the major histocompatibility complex, or MHC for short. These genes are crucial for your immune system, helping it distinguish between your own healthy cells and foreign invaders. But here's the wild part. These same MHC genes are also responsible for creating your unique individual scent signature. No two people, except for identical twins, have the same MHC profile, which means no two people smell exactly the same. So why does this matter? Well, groundbreaking studies have shown that we are subconsciously attracted to people whose MHC genes are different from our own. Think about it. If you pair up with someone who has a complementary immune system, your potential offspring would inherit a wider range of immune defenses, making them more resilient against diseases. It's a brilliant evolutionary strategy. This is why you might find yourself inexplicably drawn to the natural smell of one person, but completely repelled by another. It's not just random. It's your biology, your very own DNA playing matchmaker. Your nose is literally sniffing out a genetically compatible partner. So the next time you feel a certain chemistry with someone, it might just be your immune system saying hello. Now let's talk about what your scent can reveal about your health. Sometimes a change in your body odor can be an early warning sign that something is off internally. It's like your body is sending out a distress signal that you can actually smell. For example, if someone's breath has a persistently sweet or fruity smell, almost like nail polish remover, it can be a sign of ketoacidosis, a serious complication of untreated diabetes. This happens when the body can't use sugar for energy and starts burning fat instead, producing chemicals called ketones that have this distinct scent. Another example is a condition called trimethylamiria, which causes a person to emit a strong fishy odor. This is a metabolic disorder where the body can't break down a specific chemical compound found in certain foods. The buildup of this compound is then released through sweat, urine, and breath. Similarly, a scent that smells like ammonia could be a red flag for kidney problems. When kidneys aren't filtering waste properly, toxins can build up in the body and be released through your breath, smelling like ammonia or even urine. It's truly incredible how our bodies communicate. And it's not just humans who can detect these changes. We've all heard amazing stories about dogs who can literally smell certain types of cancers in their owners, sometimes long before a medical diagnosis. Their super sensitive noses can pick up on the specific volatile organic compounds that cancer cells release, highlighting just how powerful scent can be as a health indicator. Of course, what you eat and how you live also has a huge impact on how you smell. Your diet is one of the biggest and most immediate factors. We all know about garlic breath, right? When you eat garlic, sulfurous compounds are absorbed into your bloodstream and then released through your lungs and pores, and that smell can linger for hours. The same goes for spices like curry and cumin. A diet high in red meat can also lead to a more intense body odor compared to a vegetarian diet. This is because meat can be harder to digest, and the byproducts can be released through your sweat. Processed foods, full of refined sugars and unhealthy fats, can also alter your body's chemistry and consequently, your scent. But it's not just food. Your lifestyle choices play a major role too. When you're under a lot of pressure, your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This activates your apocrine glands, which are sweat glands located in your armpits and groin. The sweat from these glands is different from the sweat you produce during exercise. It's fattier and more nutrient-rich for bacteria, and when those bacteria break it down, it creates that distinct and often more pungent stress sweat odor. Alcohol is another big one. When you drink, your liver metabolizes most of it, but some is released through your breath and skin, giving you that telltale smell. Even medications can change your scent as your body processes and excretes them. So, your smell is a living diary of your daily habits. Believe it or not, your nose can even sniff out emotions. We just touched on how stress changes your scent, but it goes even deeper. Scientists have discovered that the chemical composition of fear sweat is actually different from the sweat you produce during a workout. In one study, participants were able to subconsciously detect the smell of fear from sweat samples collected from people who had just watched a scary movie. They didn't consciously say, "I smell fear," but their brain activity showed a fear response. This suggests we have an ancient, primal ability to communicate danger and anxiety through scent without saying a single word. It's a form of chemical communication that happens below the level of our awareness. This connection between scent and emotion starts from the moment we are born. One of the most powerful examples is the bond between a mother and her baby. Newborns have a remarkable ability to recognize their mother's unique scent within days of birth. This scent provides comfort, security, and helps guide them to their source of food. It's one of the first and most fundamental connections we form. It's a reminder that smell isn't just a sense. It's tied to memory, emotion, and our deepest instincts for survival and connection. Your emotional state is literally written in your scent profile. So as you can see, your smell is so much more than just a simple body odor. It's a complex, ever-changing biological broadcast. It's a personal signature written by your DNA, a health report from your internal organs, a daily log of your diet and lifestyle, and an emotional barometer. From signaling genetic compatibility to warning of potential health issues, your natural scent is constantly telling a story about who you are. It's a powerful, invisible language that connects us all. I hope this gave you a whole new appreciation for the science of smell. What was the most surprising thing you learned today? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to read your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating science. See you next time.